If you're an Amazon seller who sells on other marketplaces and you're not using MCF or you use it very lightly, Amazon just rolled something out that might change your mind on it and you might want to enroll right now. My name is Noah Wickham. I'm VP of Sales and Marketing at My Amazon Guy, and for the first time I have seen in a very long time, Amazon is actually giving money away and reducing fees rather than increasing them. So they are rolling out their MCF preferred pricing for 2026. Multi-channel fulfillment, for those that do not know, it's basically Amazon's platform where they will ship products if you sell on Shopify, if you sell on Walmart, if you sell on Shein, if you sell on TikTok. Amazon will ship the product from your Amazon inventory for those marketplaces. So, what are the eligibility requirements for this? The first one here, in the past 6 months duration, enrolled in the MCF new seller program with 100 plus MCF units shipped on or after October 15th, started using the MCF API, or an established FBA seller who in the past 12 weeks has shipped 5,800 plus FBA units and shipped fewer than 1,200 MCF units. This is a big one, right? So if you're an established Amazon seller and you are thinking about potentially opening up a direct consumer Shopify website, now is like the best opportunity for you to do that because of the fact that you can essentially get 15% discount on MCF outbound fulfillment fees and a $1 FBA credit for every MCF unit shipped. Capped at 50K, that's a free $50,000 off of your Amazon fees, not even your MCF stuff. Plus, you're going to be getting all of the new revenue from your website. So this is a huge, huge benefit. Now, for 12-month duration, they have basically, if you've enrolled in the last 12 months in MCF, you have to have shipped between 1,200 and 23,000 MCF units in the past 12 weeks. So if you're somebody who has a direct-to-consumer website, you're already using MCF in some capacity, and you had a really good holiday selling season, hopefully, and you sold more than 1,200 units, you get up to a 15% discount on MCF fulfillment fees, up to a $1 FBA credit for every MCF unit shipped, and then benefits apply for your first 100,000 MCF units or 12 months, whichever comes first. That's basically a whole entire year, right? An entire year for many, many brands, 15% discount on MCF, plus just $1 off every FBA fee. If you're selling a product for $20, right, and FBA fees on average are going to eat away about 15% of that, right? You're saving at the end of the day pretty much an entire, well, you're saving $1, but you're saving yourself with that around the aspect of 50% of your actual fees of what you would be paying in FBA fees. So this is a huge deal. Now, a couple other things. They have some program details down here that we can kind of dig into. The biggest being just like who actually is eligible, what does it actually mean? But for eligible sellers who are enrolled in the 12-month program, we're using the same past 12-week unit calculation to determine the unit threshold and the corresponding MCF discount and FBA credit. So unfortunately, they are a little tongue-in-cheek here. You don't actually just get this uncapped. Unfortunately, it is going to be capped similar to this 50,000. So for this one, if it's over 19,000 units, you get $1 FBA credit for every MCF unit shipped for the following week. You get, if it's 13 to 19,000, you get the 12% and then 75 cents. If it's 7,000, you get 8%, 50, so on and so forth. So fortunately, the smaller seller you are, the less you get if you have already been using MCF. But if you're a big seller and or at least a medium-sized seller, and you're doing some decent numbers over, 19,000, you're going to get yourself a pretty good paycheck and a pretty good discount on Amazon right now. So it is rare for Amazon, one, to reduce fees, and two, to just give money for certain programs. But when they do, I am always going to be a proponent of taking that on. So if you're a seller who has not utilized MCF, you don't have a direct consumer website of some kind, I would really, really encourage 2026 to be the time in which you say, yeah, I'm going all in. I am going to diversify my channels. I'm going direct consumer. I'm going Walmart. I'm going TikTok, whichever it is, whatever it may be. I really, really do encourage it because you already have all of that inventory at Amazon. Make use of that inventory and try and diversify yourself away from Amazon while simultaneously getting the benefits that you're going to get with that, with it just being cheaper across the board, not only for your Amazon sales, but also for your off-platform sales. It is not cheap at the end of the day to expand into new marketplaces, to open up your own direct-to-consumer website, but this is a program that makes it that much easier for you to, and less of a headache and more profitability in your pocket. So if you have thought about it or you don't know where to start when it comes to setting up your own direct consumer website, I would really encourage you to head on over to our website. We have an entire team of website developers, specialists, UI specialists, and one of my dedicated team members would be happy to talk to you about all of our direct consumer services and all of the clients that we are launching their own direct consumer websites for, doing everything from meta advertising, Google, email, and so on and so forth. So if you are looking to set up direct consumer this year, this might be your sign, and this might be the perfect time to do it as well.